Hi guys, how are you today? Right now, I want to show you something. Okay, the topic for today. Okay, the core idea for today is how to identify a swing point of probabilities. Okay, right now, the first step is to start with the weekly time frame. Okay, here in the weekly time frame. Okay, let's take one example. Let's say we want to go to buy or buy. Okay, okay. The first thing that you need to do is put the horizontal line at all what is this resistance level, like this one. Okay, okay, okay. You can put also here. Okay, this one. You can also put here. You can also put here if you want. You can also put here. Okay, this is all the key resistance level at the weekly time frame. Okay, after that, just drop down to the 1 hour chart and review those resistance level that you already marked and analyze the price behavior with them. When I said the price behavior here is about demand. Okay, what we want need to do is we need those resistance level is aligned with the demand zone, like this. This is the previous resistance. There's a nice demand zone here. Here resistance we can see. Okay, we can take this one as our demand zone. Here the previous resistance we can see. There's also nice demand zone. Okay, here. Okay, this one there's a demand zone, but this already taken. Okay, so there's no more what is this strength in this zone. Okay, here. Okay, let's analyze. We have something. Yes, at least we have nice demand zone here. Okay, right now let me some people or some trader will ask why demand zone. Okay, because all because what is this what to say, because we need our resistance is aligned with the demand zone, because just imagine, okay, if this resistance is strong, if this resistance is very strong, it won't be easy to broken. Okay, the only way such a resistance can be damaged or broken is just through the equally strong demand. Okay, the strong resistance can only get broken by a strong demand. So this strong demand is what is this? Is high probability for buy zone. Resistance plus demand zone is high probability demand zone. So it's good for buying zone. But for disclaimer, okay, you need to understand it. If ever in the future price do a drop, doesn't mean the price can do a nice rejection, a strong bounce up. No, sometimes the price do a little bit rejection, then continue to drop. So some trader they use this one. Some trader they use what is this? They wait for the closing price to see a pattern like bullish engulfing. Some trader look for the what is this strong pin bar rejection, like that. Some trader go to 5 minute. Okay, they are looking for QM pattern or inverted head and shoulder like this. Okay, some trader will look like this, and then they do their entry here. Some trader also, when they see, okay, when they see a QM pattern or inverted head and shoulder, they use a Fibonacci. They will take this one, and then they will catch the 50% discount. So they will do the entry here. So every trader have their own skill and their own perspective regarding to the price action. So just do or just use whatever make you comfortable. There's no wrong, there's no right in this market, okay? As the small participant, the only thing we can control is our risk and reward. So let's recap, okay? As you can see, we have a nice swing point arrangement here. It's very nice, it's very clean. So I hope you will get some point or get some idea on how to plotting a swing point of probabilities. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more idea, okay, so that you can use in the future. Okay, have a nice weekend, everybody. Thank you so much.